Hello and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sabeena and this is my July 2021 newsletter video blog summary. This month I continued to heal from my surgeries and my shoulders were particularly painful this month and I struggled to type. I still managed to participate in my third Plastic Free July. So this was Plastic Free July 2021 and I'd like to thank the Common Objective team for organising and hosting the Expo 2021 webinars. Thank you so much for watching and I look forward to recording another video for you soon. Take care. Bye for now. Wa alaikum assalam.